So what's up guys, welcome to PhyizE channel. Tonight I'm just going to be solving with you a major problem most beginners face while starting with AutoCAD. So have you ever opened your AutoCAD drawing and then you try to look for where the midpoint is, or you try drawing a line where you cannot even get the midpoint or the endpoint of the line? So here in this video I'm just going to be putting you through on how to solve this particular issue. So I want you guys to make sure you're subscribing to my channel down below, because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and then it boosts me. Even if you can't subscribe, just try to like this video, because it actually takes me 1,000 times to make this for you. No, I'm just trying to kid. So I want you guys to make sure you're subscribing to my channel, and then let's try to solve this particular issue together. So now, if I should press line on the keyboard, and then I try to make the distance of the line or the length of the line to be 3 meters, which is 3 meters, which is 3,000 mm. So I'm actually trying to pick the line, and I'm just trying to look for the midpoint and where are those things. Or I want to draw a line at the middle of this, and then I can just get it. So it's very simple for you guys to solve. The only thing you just need to do is to watch this video to the end, and make sure you're subscribing to my channel, because because your subscription counts. So you just come to the tools on the panel there, then you actually go to the drafting settings. So when you go to the drafting settings, you see this drafting settings have a thing popping up. Then you come to the object snap, which means you actually want anything you want to do to snap at. What that means by snap, to magnetize to this point. So if you want, so let's just try to select all, but the main one we're just using is the endpoint, the midpoint, the center, and but let's just try to select all, then click on OK. So let's now say we come to the line, or we click on the line, or we actually want to draw a line at the middle of this line we've drawn before. So this triangle is just trying to say that that point is the midpoint, and then this other line is just trying to say that point is the end point, and this other line is just trying to say, okay, this line is the other end point that we're selecting. So we can just come here to draw a line, press another line again, come here, which is the midpoint, or we actually need the end point now, so we can actually make use of a construction line just to do that. And then here we actually need the midpoint, so just come here to select the midpoint. So it is a very brief and easy tutorial which most beginners actually don't know how to go around with. So I want you guys to make sure you're subscribing to my channel down below, because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and I just want you guys to keep pushing me up, because now we are now at 512 subscribers. So I want you guys to please make sure you're subscribing to